بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقدار العظيم التحية لله يا زكاة لله الطيبة الصلوات لله السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته والسلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله صلى الله تعالى وآله وسلم السلام عليكم يا جماعة المسلمين والمسلمات الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله Ghana Ingiri Concern Muslim Youth Association North East Region Mampurugula Nzantre Muslim Soma Bilugu Bankan Natusuru Noa Sanshatin Joma Nama Karinyala Chief Zuki Bati Kala Radio Puni Kala WhatsApp Kala Facebook Kala YouTube Fadillah Alhamdu Antisa Daba Yuma Nama Tinyala Bank Concern Muslim Association Kabenzuna Pala Yuma Weni changing la Untum the Tuma Mampurugu then the Nankala Muslim then Zachapanang Yini kadama ta suban nan littafi da puni na titacin yala wa tashimu bi hablillahi jami'an wala tafarraku alquran ya musulun da nan ban yin la'ana na kar wannan ka ta dum badal ayo ma na qur'an pun ma na ma ka ban tenin si mboman prugu afadama prin la sokam da man kam da shi da uyinga biya o shi wutar punin dirdare ka talla an banan ban yin nan kaman prugu da jin karcen to ne fadillahi alhamdu to mun tushiya an canto na pam tinya nasara amma nasara ku tunya za domin bosuku annabi man turun wani shi addini ma na sallallahu ta'ala wa alihi wa sallam amma won tun shi za ta fi da rakun ya ka bihu ma fu ban fa musulun da ma na banya musulun da ma hatta dai ka wasu je dai kamar ban tur annabi muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ka addini ka bacin dai to dalan ya tabbatu sun di amma dalan nan ban kim nan ban wala ma annabi cha da ba yi wa da zuwa pam yuna la 2019 kar filin da tin dugura zancen yi North East Region tin yare jimpali kaka musun su tuntari yalan muku da dama ka bazanga an ke yo na banan fon bilim ka to dotin ni in gwar ka hanna mini ban ce babu kira be patin ngana ka apa asha na addi musulun din table musulun dama ka concern Muslim Youth Association yana to kumtin yana concern ma ka binyala banzan bazikin nan badaji ne pune lalan yi da kacina ka yala pam ningi to to asa chapi amma to kon ngala jo kadadam dan ban abinne foi kan karan ban sha da computer pun ka to so kan ka so min so boni petition ka ta zan la petition ma an zan ta kuma ban suti sutun bana ma ka su be kuma na ma ka bayyal she fanalan la sokona tun yale to ashan pa ka soko ban ka to bur to bo izina basani kalab na niya to amazanti sokam temina man purgwa bela man purguna nuni wani ya taba na ba Abdullahi Mahmi shi daga na fa mun gina alafiya ka fa sun yover walli na kwan ba ban kam jirgun be son ma puni ni obisin wanzan shi da wontan puni wontan duru zanu jirguna na albarka nan ba na puni ka taba alafiya ban ba bisin ba ko ba na nan zalan zan taba ti banya ngatal mama dama ban kan da mazan shi le man purgu karin yana mama dama na ba na kan pu anyala ulama na kan wurjirin yala ulama na kan panin yala ulama banan su aji ne ma gwar aji ne ma yato ashayati mukki liman wazan pa na ba ku zantan bangma ya musun liman ka aji ne ma ka cendidi domin man furguna da banguna na nunu mu ba ta adan won pumpirishi la kanyala musun su asalin yaka fadillahi alhamdu tanu won pyaka lalla mamadin ma sa sace nan ban yin ne ba to ndana wani ya gamba alma zanga ta ba su lima na ta ba wa alma ta ba na bar lima in kenan zan lima ma she ban banya asanza da manya walima bisinya walima kara man furgwa ci ku tamsiya tam tu to tam wurgumor halifan wanya a Sheikh Ahmed Abubakar wurgumori ne ta ba jumsi lama imam Yusi bitan ta pasi tungur na jaduru na ban za ta fi ni ta ba wun yarna falillahi alhamdu ni ta bana sha na bu akudu na buge puro na buge pala falillahi alhamdu ti fi aya ba za ta fi da barka ta bura lima madan ma ta fi nan ban yin ne to boye da barka zan azaman zanciya tabbatam isman pursi lan bisin samani na sako na nalirugu ne na bona bantre ne na so na bu atar gu ban kuru na kwandure ne yunyu fa lillahi alhamdu to bor iznillah la mamadin ma sana afakar afadin ma na wani pasmiya yadda kapasi ya annabi yurlum falillahi alhamdu insha Allah rabbi din ya da bayo ma nama ka tin ya rijin pale azama mapunu kan yakyo tin ya rijin pale ka bol kan north east region bambo north east region ma nama rijin kan ce kan malla office da maka adadi bunu kobga ayinni ka bol na regional education office kaman karan dulo ma nama ngomunya ka chema ngon ka bol ni regional director of education to regional director of education mana ogo malla office bisi ka atombi apuni ayinnin ya regional manager of Islamic education unit ayinnin ya regional manager of Catholic unit ayinnin ya regional manager of Ahmadiyya Islamic unit ayinnin na tonya assistant director of finance assistant director of academic ango ma za azon assistant director of girl child IPPD accounts office na ango ma za pinyala anye bia under regional director ma nama apuni yinni nya regional Islamic education kama manda pundangan yalla deningen yunila 2019 October gor puni ka kongranya na ba ningla council ni regional council ka ba pa be chenna lilugu north east regional capital ntananka ka ko korda wum ka tren ay dalaw ma na ma she ka te bangandin ye she ndumutu ye she ka she tuku she sa ka so din penandi ne ba form la council ka yumi kan chen shi domin tun yala ban pon tabrijin ma mpa na zona she ka te buhonya ka tra lam te ba gambal mam yiri kartinyara alaji fayla wa wali wonan da so gbanwon la anu bo la afadama injin meeting ni yi regional council dama na ka wonya regional manager to bara so gbanwo da la gban mara yara kan da punya fon bi gbanwo because kapuni jirini ye to asesara bi apunun banningi ti chantoni yan gum anya anan kene tv zo kenye la gban ma ka di ashara tabe ma ajirin pawu bani nyang yasa ka uyan wonin nya ka chen pon upaka ura chishi zong ma punun ka tiyina tibina nyang ma nama iya bang ni yamang ni tiya to amara pun chana Facebook kala ji fela no bisno karam bisira to tumbu to chafar dama ka tabjir shi la ka dinyanga ka bati nan nama na postma nama na rijis aban yoba sheban na rijin palala na ana karjina man gabe rijin director dama in kinan ta pass apa west region wa bana ka urabian na ka chan retirement ka ashantir region baraka kuma san na kucin retirement ka greater accra ankara na ku bacin retirement abatta man kinan pass abayo mazu ka anan abawai Regis abawai ma na kalala Islamic regional manager ma kabara yina yanin won kan buru won bum lala pusoma ka da adama dum dabwa da adama dum won dabwa na falillahi alhamdu kabara bolba interview ma date ma ran yala bakku shan nan wanda yana nan gana lockdown la bakku ma kabara wo interview ma na ma kabara postpone interview ma na ko puni June gwayi angala dinda na kadina fakar bele ma kabara bolba na ballam na intishini la interview ma nama ti yaro north east region to akan to aron bel am an kalma za north east region Mr. Miftah Daniel Ngomboka ka alaji fele gbabwa ka Mr. Mohammed Abdullah alaji madabi ko gbabwa da ko so ba ni batanda bu no ma nama to falillahi alhamdu ka ba ce interview ma na kartin la bayin to ce interview ma alaji fele ni Mr. Miftah on ce interview ma nama ka man la qualification kanyala education mbolo so kan zan hankalan tubunwa kanyala education banda ce interview ma baraben ba huwa Qur'an ayatin kan nan tafsiri be kan nan hadisi dan kata ayat ma la da ka bane kanyala education wancan ta kar education wani yaka kaman misali izan Westman Prison Municipality kan da nan ya district la mbapra miru mbabu yirin wanda yaka onira education oda fa afashan wannan wa azuman furgwa ku yi kamisa kamisa shedu tampulun ku canan jaka pawu asanin da nyu be fa afanyu manfurgwa o yi binyanga misa anafu onyala Catholic Christian nyu wanda canan da Islamic education manfurgwa nda marka mbola da adam dan labsa ba hankalana kakpa me to ases alaji felen wonzan yina pi haguzugun turuci amma arjian parte prelo nyala non kurgu uyi yala kaci yali jengman la karamba na katanu nu tungba malak pamman la mama non kuraban pi alaji fela ka ba bisi pi alaji fela ka be duru ni kay netan ma a to la adal ki katanu na ama nama patran ka alaji gwa fela gwa hanje o gwa hanje la man purgu la mama na afadum nan da man purgwa domin bu shelan kan katran nan kai na da manyanga chanto nan kala da man kala afadin ma kaskuna je banga da ningana banko go hanje kay nan man isham no conseil mo ne ta executive ne tibu qualified da musun so to tarku ne para no ku yala an chanto nan yis ashar dan kay a an yurun din berin maru kay to ashayen nan ka conseil ni jerka beti be har shafu ne ku yina damnati ma insha Allah rabbi now yiko puni mbole so kan da banga bunu ma kan yala education yeto anya karakala Islamic studies wancan ta karin Qur'ani bai fa hadisi fallalan ya kan kumar wara ta bangan lala kallala qualification ma nama kaba gwanya alaji felo wani education wa pam na lala poswa ko mun do tan nuktra hata de ka yele ka bisa ngane Facebook ni te banna yiri ni te bagam bal ma ngone yen wonye rigina mananja di patuku ni tembo bor yamang ma nama te banna yiri ni te bagam bal ma ba yela rigina mananje u ba tugulu gunzan can to goli kariyar karma lala kwamo ma kan nim nan jirman kai bon ban yala hankal de menya banya na de menya ba banya na de zan to sokam ba banya na ba zan ta alaji fila kan ka tabo to bang sokam ka sokan za chapu wumi jiri ko ma ka suno ma ka jiri biyu bosse de ma won yin ce ankara nti na ka ba ce kunara kala yi fila na zo per ncen na yinni a photo de be Facebook ko post a 26 June 2020 yunwa ka fila agor no purgurun wa abia buni Ahmed Mohamed Faida o Facebook yuron la sokan cembe nan tinye wanzan la pictures kazan la habai wannan 26 June 2020 ko zanga nan ban kuna interview kuna da buyu ko bun boru magne baturi jinan manager an wadin ma za ta cefi ka to go uban wannan sai je tashi hankalin da jima'a ne ku yi kan yanga ma'ajin o Allah ma wanda shi gambal ma zon ne ni sunna da ku gare jima'a to ne lala yuna mo yun kan yu pam o to ala karma la sunna da ma na tijaniya na bandama lala buno ma na ma concern muslim you association nuka ana zonto nuka ana biyo tapun yal atrin yala muslim dama na wani botula muslim dama ka na botu muslim dama ka sahabin botu muslim dama ka tabi dun botu muslim dama nyumon tum maru shambo ni manganyin mi yurma nyin yakar gucin zanci ma turu nuka kane amma tam kan wombur walgan samma ko mar amman farci mbe funcen ka tanga uyinane yato apam injali kadaba yi wadarabna yu yasa tamsha wanda apun changni wannan la ina gotin kabe urun gotin manama regional director of education northern region wonar alaji fela letama date nyela 2nd December 2019 kabara tu banwon yelo nu zon pam kace posu sha won yeno won yakala nur ogna urun nan la ceremony ma ko yiba nyanga nan kana lergu fetla to posum ka shelba nu man purwa ka pamma don go haru ka sokan jin go haru per la fon bi la sakam ko nu sokam ka ta zantar ko ma nama ka bang sokam ni ta bangi no o break zal pana pam ko break man purwa don ko non ko shi mushi bana na albalaina karma la man purwa ma nama ta kanan ban yini be tizabanne an ka ta bor sokam ta banga na ayi man purwa su doanya ka concern muslim association tinyam number 1 man purwa za turi bayinan to bor su do antar muslim da man pa muslim da ma ta 2016 ya to apam da ben karma la ni north east region ni party zaban ya bieni falillahi alhamdu sorab no ta na pongu tirin da nya ban duwan zan bul afad man bul mama da makatal anun conference ka balle baka to ba su do ajinin wan benin very shame amma iken to go alai fele won tarifu ne tam kam za ta punya ngon boro bala e obni ya to argin karma lo bola su do amma suna uyalan wan korgo ma san yilti hata de ka tuman taban bad maka nan ba pulo jignin yo jirin ya kai mangne mba pulo bana mambo mbaka o council of elder da yin jin yaka amma za ta putuma Facebook mbo ma chafra nzangla ntunzo mbiri certificate kan san changi iri petition ma nan labana kai apalo ne sokam mbola ya bangana na wannan namu nan fuga mangni amma zuna onyala wan banyi awan ci an ma ta zan bai ka tuci ma jan pati opinan yupam hatta din alaji fere ne min yelma alquran kan ya zalim po musulmi isa yalo musulun tarana nu mallamar fasa abawai nu zan ayina kam za ta fanka man isham nun kunun yovare na mamman prugza sa chapna na da na afadma na man kuzora ni uko ne to ashati daga moto ni zuku boru yalma nama nan pa suguro pam na kan bana mazugu la marfas ma wozan ayinin nya masa chapi kunun yovare alaji felen yel ka konza la qur'an ka po yi ma ajirin po qur'an won wondar ma palo zuka cika lore nar maka lore nuar maka bahayori kan zula bahayori yi ma ajin po ka pan chebukum na won ngala to alquran da albarka won mi ma ajin lan pama kashe man kan na won nar musulam basu yor won kan jo nyanga turun terma na won bahamba yor ka kada wanda ba su badar ta pun banda nan kafin sunna annabi shi Allah na ba hamba yola ka cika bazan ballan karmu in karman pun do ya wusu alquran kan zan karma unun to yin sa alquranun ponu na yirma isham nun mallam marfa ko abawai nun to min kuma won yin sa alquranun pona kayele ka so ga ban musulma din de padala billahi la ilaha illa huwa al qayyum da dam i disinte pano is in yovro ma na billahi la ilaha be chama ala yifelo ko tondi nyovir har ka don ban tigi kan yana dabare be yabe marfa mi ayir kam ko to amuranya bar ya nun alquran ka ubayin man zanka po musulman ngin yamane mbanya ala yuslimana ko nya musulmi ko banya ala jima hambala ko nya musulmi mpil tarikan pil maulidin pil haji man purwa karaji mahambal banya afa adam man purgwa wa alu man kura yiri ka fa adam banya mba moro man kura yiri baza yadin yini ato piye ba do abalo alu man kura yiri alaji fele yim nan ba wusa da ka tabangi wonyen nan bu so man purgwa kace da adam dun tubu nci adini sa anwo ben na alaji fele lu kwango man po nyan nan bu so ngon to no wala magba ni ngon shi labin sin jam purgona jirma jinga bala azo ya pon abanu aba yobu ya bana wanya la jinga ma apikes kambur bazan shan isar ke nyoma nama first in history the whole of East region concern Muslim association jin shakan ya jin urjin tare in ya jiran bisan kiran zal banawa ka kala kwana kana zan can gortun commission jin ma fa insha Allah rabbi man purguza ya ka Islamic clinic bi ashibiti concern Muslim association ya ban ji ashibiti na mirka banon da ban na ta Quran memorization centers apikes ke gwarwa deep la concern dal barka punati mesha gamba mesha wo albana wa mesha janga yene concern bin shilma refa nin shilma kan ku nin yinni dipa jinga ta anashe won me yene won mbebo abala ku miya wurgu ikentu ko wurgu mo jinga tin me wurgu mo jinga ma nama ala yi fere jin shen won me maza abana wi maza hal ayinna ballim binnin kasara abinna ballim binnin kasara in ku marantu wara dikentu ni pa concern sun sembe ni ma sheban nan kamborin gari amma da adam dun mun mi kamaru man mahna tama kambor ya bangi jito ashan wannan kan yayi nin yala jinga kumiya abanu zuna ta me jinga pa abanu man purgo bayan din yanga tren man tori tin na ji first store building kan sa ajingni in the northeast region concern shi kana kabe banawa won kan ga da palma zo nyarka zan can gori insha Allah rabbi ban yala bandan na la building market ka purin pil jingna pugo a takbir to fa lillahi alhamdu kan bo dadam din bangala ma nama amma alaji feila otumbar na pam ntum bibiya tar pam man purwa nso yan zania o yan konse nan dam nuru chan to ne wancan no pile mun kirin si man purwa wale wa uraza ngala afa musaddama lan bisu busansin yaba bale sunna din yago karba alu sunna wajima do karba en yiri nya ko za afa shi su tamale bu ngon kam ya afa shi su won bos mun yar alaji feila halli afa shi su zo lab tamal da bangu nzanga fa kamil sama ndani ko biya wa Allah malam ba ta karam bi yobo mu onar ala ji filanciya en yunya nga okpa ko meci in karba wanzan ko in karba kanon banna yulum beno ma na banna ne waso ba mi din pirishe kambo su ma ta bangi kan wani na mi secondary school markaz lan wanda ko markaz ma tren da ko ka tunura mi markaz ka kacci ko zan kan la bombo ani kin daga ci kan kin nan wani amma ko habin din bi su bi hilga wani kin daga ma nyanga kuna bebe ni asante ni bewa Islamic College mbukere beni mbole bangni billahi la ilaha illa huwa al qayyum ni ala yefela ko nyen mbuson kwanguru ma mbu yoku ne pang mangra adini punun kumar wa haka donati yihigi onin ma pam yi ya nan gbani ya to apam dadam dama yan wayu ala yefela yan nan vugu swa o yiri odu onami ma'ashiri mpawa wali ala ji mahmud tampulu wona ba cennan yalu man yenni o mera markaji yedma kayan balas ma tijani yedma nan ya ku alman na ya ku bashibe na ya ku ka atu ko ban law speaker ku divi udu manda ko kan yelba to aka ne fela ni onni ne fela ninni ma ala ji fela holo puni kambere abro fun sang mai pia sang mbe ma azu fun assemblement sang banki ma gomna biya kataka lana ma azu gorar sakun bur shara hal ni batta ayi na jenu ku a tempano kabar kabay won miniti divi ko dima o holo ni ko to tula so da bam amo ko ni yaba no ta mala ko to ni ma ajini en takolo su ko to mala su ko ma gbana ashe na go pon kala Islamic school kanyala go school ko GS register an la bono ma na ma odu oda di la vie mpo alko asha manzaran kanu alaji fela du ora di la ji ora bel mani katatuna lam le mamadun to wala an kan tiken to Dr. Mahamuru kuna ma ajiri nun wani ka bini prime minister Pereira ko da man an ka trapun gato nun fannin a to ya ka piligonwa Sheikh Abdullah Mohammed Jaman tampulungu tenen campus Dr. Mahmoud Uchenna Christmas no pusi hallelujah den ban pusi bachura kada biando pusu kayalu no ponshen ka babori tichenan pushi ka to nyindi na handu na de to ningna ama fa la de patale tila an bullin kenan pushi ma har ka tike nan yan na de patale ka vas ne vela ni Alhaji Ahmed Isa ko binga no go hanka so ni tilabi ko boda saka tikera apilu kan to arewa alquran ka zanto arman nama karan ningi ka bakuli ka ta Alhaji binga ko ta ka da sama ta bai ka ba bolo ka ta ko man problem man afadin ma mun ko ru Alhaji fela tela Alhaji fela ka jan ma na kela bakwai abata ama la yi fele tienia ne te burgun wonni amma amisi gisman ngomar wasar chas den kwawo kale fele ma ajiri ne te burgun wonni ne ba shi nan ba ne sunna de ma ba ku cence ne ma sunna de mun da yin nan canka ko ko se ne bar cence ne ma nama ka musun de ma ngwa ne bar yusu ubas de nan cenge men yeru yusa nan ba yitar de malo te ge sunra manda ta ta to aska bil afad ma ki lu la cangra ba nda ara ha ne cenge nda yin nan fugu yor wonni ne tanar jekta adrin darma amira ko mam libar cen da cen makam da cen nin ya san pam un kuna ke nin ba la ahlus sunna wal jamaa ne ke cenyi wanya sunna trimban miti ya da ban pam ban ya sunna dama kurbanan da ba ta da ba ko ma nama alaji muhammad so kan zami ko ndari afakashi ubakare na zomba nambo wanda zangi ya do washi kan karam na da ba ta ban gurgama tarika kemunan da nyu man purguza bil power wali di homan pour wanda tere ke alaji mahambala rahmatullahi shesho won chana zankanta ba kopi la kadiriya man pour guzabel won pili ni alaji fele mika ibakaram balla ya don la umman ya anturin yama pakalan to tonga direct wando alaji sulaiman ku do hisham ke mika ka tu ke mi musulsu wan pashi
min fuhadi hubbalayla wa ta'lami wada
and was allegedly asked by the council through the Northern Regional Secretary of Islamic Education Unit to act as the then local district manager for West Mampuse District. Such appointment letter we never saw. Later, it was alleged that he was given an appointment letter as the substantive local district manager of Islamic Education in West Mampuse District by the National Council through the Regional Secretariat. Our background checks, however, could not reveal an appointment letter of such merit. Mr. Chairman, based on this allegation, appointment as the West Mampuse District local manager and with the creation of the new 6 regions in Ghana recently, Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida went around all the Islamic education unit schools in West Mampuse District and those in the other 5 districts and introduced himself as the new substantive Northeast Regional Manager for Islamic Education Unit. This happened around June 2020 this year. Some well-informed Islamic scholars and proprietors reported the matter to the Northeast Regional Chief Imam, and Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida was asked to produce his appointment letter as a substantive Northeast Regional Manager of IEU, which he failed to produce. Some background checks from the Northern Regional Secretariat of IEU further revealed that all the 6 newly created regions, Northeast Region, Savannah, Bono East, Oti, Western North, and Ahafo Region, and another 3 old regions, Ashanti Greater and Upper West Region, making 9 regions, had no regional managers. And as protocol demand, such positions were to be advertised for qualified applicants to apply and go through a selection interview, and most qualified among the applicants will be picked. Upon sensing that his deceptive character was being exposed, he quickly coiled back into his shell as the local district manager for West Mampuse. What a deceptive character. Mr. Chairman, we therefore call on your respected office to educate the general public in Northeast Region on the reasons for stripping Mr. Abdullahi Mohammed of his position as the then West Mampuse District local manager of Islamic Education Unit, if indeed some investigation were done and the reasons found deserve such punitive measures. The general public is asking to know. We will also like to find out if the council duly communicated with Mr. Abdullah Mohammed on why he was being stripped of his position as the then local district manager following Alhaji Ahmed Mohammed Faida's substantive claims of being appointed to occupy the position. If no investigation was carried out before appointing Alhaji Ahmed Mohammed Faida as the local manager for West Mampuse. Again, we went to the West Mampuse Municipal Director of Education and told a lie to some officers there that he had been appointed as the Northeast Regional Manager of Islamic Education Unit. He also went to the Municipal National Service Coordinator and told the same lie that he is currently the substantive Regional Manager of Islamic Education Unit without an appointment letter. He even asked them to relate to him as such and forward such official correspondence relating to the manager's position to him. He was also seen renovating the Walwale Area Council office located in front of the Municipal Education Office and claimed it is the Regional Secretary of IEU. BNI investigation number 1. We will call on the BNI through your office to launch an investigation into the matter since Mr. Abdullahi Mohammed is still alive and works as the West Pampusey Municipal Education Office. We will also be satisfied if the investigation could reveal the appointment letter of Alhaji Ahmed Mohammed Faida as West Pampusey Local Manager as well as the Northeast Regional Manager of IUU based on our investigation. We believe that as at today, 3rd August 2020, there is no substantive IUU regional manager for Northeast region because no appointment has been made yet after the interview. 2, the advert on the Northeast IUU regional manager position. Our detailed background checks reveal that the advert for Northeast regional manager position, which was vacant as the time Alhaji Ahmed Mohammed Faida was claiming to be, was later cited somewhere February 2020. The position for Northeast Regional Manager of Islamic Education Unit was part of the 9 regional position advertised. Among the 9 region positions where applicants were invited for the selection interview, including Greater Accra, Ashanti Region, Bono East, Savannah, Western North, Northeast, Ahafo, Oti, and Upper West Region. The interview date and venue for the Northeast, Upper West, and Savannah region were 9th June 2020 in Accra at Dura Institute, Zowolo, respectively. Meanwhile, as of October 2019, Alhaji Ahmed Faida already made all his followers or compatriots to believe he was already the Northeast Regional Manager, and up to now, some still believe him, even though appointments have not been given to any of these applicants from any region as of today, 3rd August 2020. Please find attached this petition, the advert for your reference. Why does Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida believe he is the Northeast Regional Manager even though he has no appointment letter? Simply because he is over anxious to be called a leader of the Islamic Ummah, and he equally believes in what he says. It is who you know and no qualification as far as this appointment is concerned. And it is also about connection and not qualification. And I know and I have worked with almost all the council members, and I was assured I will be given the appointment later by some council members whose names withheld here for some reasons now and could be produced in due course. BNI investigation number 2. We call on the BNI through the National Council for Islamic Education Unit to investigate this allegation to ascertain the reality that appointment letter to all the 9 regional managers have not been issued as of today, 3rd August 2020. It is noteworthy that the qualification for the IUU regional manager position is not based on whether one has Arabic or Islamic studies background. It is an educational management position, and it is required in line with rules and regulations of Ghana Education Service, in addition to being a practicing and committed Muslim, simply because it is an Islamic education unit. As a managerial position, one's qualification to merit the position is based on one's educational background and professional rank in Ghana Education Service. As such, the qualification for the position advertised was purely based on merit, and not because one has Arabic or Islamic studies background. The qualification criteria for this specific position were being a practicing and a committed Muslim, being a professional teacher working in the Ghana Education Service, being the rank of deputy director, having masters in education and leadership. That please find this in the advert attached. Considering this qualification criteria, the only applicant from Northeast region who attended the interview with Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida is more qualified. The applicant is a professional teacher who completed Tamil Teacher Training College, had his first degree in education at University of Cape Coast, did his second degree masters in organizational management at the University for Development Studies, and he is of a higher rank than Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida. Last but not the least, the applicant is of more experience in terms of IT knowledge than Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida, which was one of the key competencies for the position. In the case Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida, it is alleged he completed a College of Education at King Saudi University. It is again alleged that the certificate awarded to him was translated in Ghana and equated to a bachelor degree equivalency. BNI investigation number 3. As someone who believes in who you know and connection, not requisite qualification, we will call on the BNI to investigate the translator certificate to ascertain the validity of translation since he believes in paying his way through. 3. The duties of the regional manager position had nothing to do with Arabic or Islamic studies background. It is important to note that the duties assigned to the regional manager of the various units, it is important to note that the duties assigned to the regional manager of the various unit schools in Ghana are those established by the Ghana Education Service as a means of mainstreaming these units school into the Ghana Education Service formal approved publicly curriculum of education for basic and second cycle schools. The managers perform delegated duties of either the regional or district directors, and as such report to them and the council at both levels, district or regional where applicable. Some of the roles of the regional managers include assisting the regional or district directors in posting of newly trained teachers to the unit schools. It's a lot. I want to move to the other sensitive area. The inaccuracies on his document based on some background information. As corrupt as he seems, he has manipulated his date of birth on several documents to prove to people that his age is younger than he seems to be. In some documents, he wrote he was born on 20th June 1979. On another document, he indicated he was born on 20th June 1978. Both days in our own layman's observation are false. On the document he used 20th June 1978 as his date of birth, he indicated that he completed middle school in 1983. Yes, it is basic knowledge that during middle school education period after birth, one has to attain 6 years before he or she goes to primary 1. He or she will spend another 6 years from primary 1 to primary 6, making 12 years. At middle school, he or she spent another 4 years from first year to final year, making a total of 16 years. Unfortunately, on his document, as he indicated, he was born on 20th June 1978 and completed middle school in 1983. This means that from the year he was born up to the year he completed middle school, he was 5 years instead of the normal 16 years or more years. BNI investigation number 4. We call on the BNI through the National Council for IUU to investigate and ascertain the real date of birth and age of Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida, since we believe he has manipulated this as he sees it normal to do in other spheres of his work. Allegation on the illegal formation of district and regional council. Mr. Chairman, it is important to note that the self-acclaimed Northeast Regional Manager of IUU had already embarked on the formation of 6 district council and the Northeast Regional Council. Even though the regional manager appointment is yet to be done, when he was to do this, the Northern Regional Director of Education wrote to him on 2nd December 2019, ordering him not to form those councils, but wait till the new regional manager is appointed, but he refused and went ahead. We were told copies of such communication from the regional director of Northern Region in Education were given to the West Mamprusa Municipal Director of Education, the Northeast Regional Minister, the Nayiri, and other relevant bodies, informing Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida not to form the council till the new Northeast Regional Manager was appointed. However, Alhaji Mohammed Ahmed Faida blatantly refused and went ahead and formed both the 6th District and the Regional Islamic Education Unit Councils. He has maliciously hidden this letter from some of the key individuals or opinion leaders in the region. It is important to note that when he was to form this illegal council, we already smelled a rat and reported the issue to the Northeast Regional Chief Imam on October 2019. He responded with a fake letter purported to have been written on October 19, though the letter captured date was October 2018, which he admitted in the presence of the Northeast Regional Chief Imam that there was a typographical mistake made on the date of the letter and emphasized the actual date should be 2nd October 2019 and not 18th October 2018, as we all saw on the letter. BNI investigation number 5. We will call on the BNI through your respected office to investigate him on these 2 letters. The one from the Northern Regional Director asking him not to go around the entire Northeast region to form the council, and the one he claimed was written by the National Council asking him to form the council, which had a 40 date. Since we believe he might have manipulated the so-called council letter and equally manipulated the standard criteria in selecting qualified persons into the council, we can't trust his selection criteria. Again, even if he is not appointed, which we know is obvious, and the current council members in the region he formed remained, any other manager coming could be sabotaged by those members because he will still be out of the scene while he remotely controls the unit through this council member. So we call for a complete overhaul of the council members throughout the 6th district of the Northeast region. His relationship with some Islamic schools heads in the region and the general Muslim Ummah in the region. Mr. Chairman, it was also revealed that as at the time he was parading himself as the Northeast Regional Manager of Islamic Education Unit, he visited some few schools and for lack of experience had serious personal grudges with some headmasters of the schools, which resulted in some of the heads insulting and addressing him like a student. We believe his appointment will be reserved for course in the Islamic schools, since he will always be in constant battles with these heads on monitoring visits, threats and intimidation towards people. Alhaji Muhammad Ahmed Fela personally threatened me that if I joke with him, he will fire me either spiritually or physically. On several occasions, he intimidated some Arabic instructors that if they joke with him, he will terminate their appointment. Until recently, Walwale was seen as a peaceful place of Islamic religious worship, but when Alhaji Muhammad Ahmed Fela again self-acclaimed himself as the Northeast Regional Chief Imam of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'at, meanwhile Northeast Region has a regional Chief Imam already, he carries out extremist religious preachings on the airwaves of Eagle FM, Wali Wali and Sagada TV Tamale. This led to the disagreement between his members Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'at and the Shia community in Wali Wali and the Northeast Region at large during the 2019 and 2020 Ramadan series. There were always condemnation, accusation, and counter-accusation between the Sunni and the Shias in the West Mampose municipality on extremist religious preaching on Eagle FM. Listeners of Eagle FM station in Walwali could attest to these issues. He enjoyed introducing violence in areas there seems to be peace. In a young region like ours, witness development, we should not risk entrusting the whole Northeast Regional Manager position to such a person. This letter is copied to the regional, to the Director General Ghana Education Service, to the Regional Director Ghana Education Service Tamale, to the Municipal and District Director of Education of East Region, to the General Manager for Islamic Education Unit Tamale, the Regional Manager for Islamic Education Unit, who is currently acting official in Northeast Region Tamale, the Municipal BNI officers Wawali and Gambaga, the Nairi, the Overlord of Mamprugu, and then the Regional Chief Imam of Northeast Region in Gambaga, signed by Honorable Muaz Yahya, myself, Suleiman Isham, as the General Secretary, Alhaji Sid Baba Kampinta, Malam Mudassiru Khalid, and then Yusuf Abdul Fatah, Organizing Secretary. So, Alhamdulillah. So, come to Chapnya, Tenkarang Bangmashi, Nekapata Pamakabayina for Northeast Region, Mbai. Muslims that about the man Tarama, Bobur Hihi. Bobur Fachina. Doma Mumpotu, Potam, poor Banu Yad, Manisha was Fachina Burman Progu. Yet I say, Mara Biguma Puna, Marasana, Kasonga, Songo Yorla. We are never no sooner than Kugari Matuni, Baguala sooner than you are. Sooner than Marban Education, Marban Karanya, Deputy Director and Cabesuna Kamawaka, Biba Arsenal Jamatia. Checkabara apply a control buyer. Bimbur Bushel campaign in Ma and check Angolak Anama Namaya. Mabisha Uma, Zuna. 1 year regional manager of Islamic Education Northeast Region, 1 year district local manager of West Pampusi, 1 year trade teacher, Kawazangun Markazia could teach Beni, 1 year preparator, Markazia, 1 no nanya Markazia had agency, 1 nanya Markazia travel and toyasa, Eba Point on Nama, 1 no nanya woman after one and preach yasa, Yomte Tosonga, Lele Yellow Manama, Azuana Pam, Momaza, or to Anakano. 1 year Northeast Regional Chief Imam of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'at, Angamaza, Otumanya Au. Kada Dam, one bagantu, Mangaso Bantu. I want the Mazo open the Nasara, Quiziran Kena GS. ya poet ma an ka ce ma na ban sheshe won man yi makamata mallabu shel kan okopis ka to ma na ma an ce na pi hagu ka dadan dum nya ka ban won yanin vuswa to buna ka tarpo zan wasu pi hagu ma na ma to sole so kam no so kamita ka to zo na won zo tumu ka gwa yela ma nin da yinni banan da su abayi an yala qur'an kar won ya abe an yala education tutu banka obo bi se ka wo Facebook on tuti tinye chefre de sem nye mo anu lucifers nye zoalem dirba nati katmadin ponan gwan dan tin wono fa lillahi alhamdu tibe jerga a alaji ti a nzanci nyini mini na woni man ya yelshe mba ga to a nyela man purgu kam musulmi kan won kan be duna ya wonsu kan wum ta azama o yunwa kan yesusi dan dai nyela alaji failanu onyanu obisi yinanu karambisi karambaniya nyela ban kan jo nyanga nto ara supportru baniye nyara be malam musulunci na won shun baka na albarkan nan ba puna ka taban nasar ba be go pune de mun yara ayi ton taro yalan muku ni abo yalan muku ku yina da madabilin woni kwangi manga ida basu dan pa bu tabaka atumna be man woni kwangi manga ama zancan karwoni hi mar guda ji ma wona ina jin pun kuma tan kai bela sa ngo pune won bu mi yenni imanu no ma na manyi mamang tor mika ni ina so ko pune tebe ka i personal to apune tire ka ina yi tan gbango pune man won mi a mbe ka ajukan jinwa bun shi da nya official ya to ajukan jinwa ma na ma yin min mai to ashe shi yinni ka agara tori injini office ki divi injini yiri ki divi imam tor mi ay ton kal a ina min kar salatin pi amanin pangren manga baza tuhurmani yana tuhurman galala alai fela kale tamyin da mani yana tuhurman kasar tuhurmo kale mi ne ka tuhurmo ya alquran wa ilayaka nin pangrin manga pam banan tuman galala ya nan tuman sugur kanwa irayal ke office puni mani wanda ta ban tunda intana ke fahar ma suguru ka bangni ke mangni iranan la ayfela tan kam isan man tugul man nirba mbiye dama ntun shopa dama etukuta halaka ba nyuete me alaji fela wala kinin an godin ma sa tafiasa to eniyan yara isham ke yina ni sam kasa an tabul musulunci concern ki yasam sa an tabul musulunci na son wannan manyin za sa chapi in ya kuma yin za sa chapi ndo da ciyaman da tsaro ona men yala nam in ya darja alafela na wuni chaka duna din yi uyi himin zalka da wanda yi annabi sa chefar dimin zalka ban yashe kaba zan balla kan kan fir'auna na hamana na bandama na wuni himin zalala wan kan mun dole nyangin yala jilis ne ku tuma Facebook no WhatsApp dima nin odon tuma nama o ban mi kan na won yi muka bansho o ban bayani kan yana ba bugun liyo ne kan kasmin suboni indoctrination e bugun liyo ban da bayanan tunire ki kuma abashir ka ba jaga tuntuma lalan diro ma nawun wannan ban baka da wannan chafar din shi in yalan wayina nun sun ka musu da jini ka canto na man furgu na daban wani turza shafi nan ban yinni mun garu piye ka bi apuni ala yi fela zom na zo tumu ya to apam da ban kan da ya ki apuni amma sama yara kan fun ko sa ce piyasa amma minu ku nyana sara minu ku to nyanni domin disheda Abdulrazak Tahir Egypt na on mu na mu na pamu karama o yelme yala pam zan ce soro suka kane ashe su kan yarwa mun yi annasara kabang na alaji izan duniya za ta bugan zan ji billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa halqa min qur'an sha man zalo kadar baraka kuni na pam ban kan qur'an ka zan kan ku bukata dan kake ba da baraka kuni dubni dum pondo sheba ka ban yana sala ni ma zugo kan ya alquran da albarka nan na wani isa da albarka alai filan nu shirkam tangban no punu chu badar ki kenawa fa uhudun yaka in labgu uhudu ka talabgu badaru badar ki murma fa uhudun la uhudun ka chafar dan danya nasara ma amma badar wana turmo tan danya nasara fadillahi alhamdu amma biya nun su fil pamnin ya sa shazan tumo ma nama ya pere man kai bar samwa tinyala banjiru ummadin yato amman nan zantre ya sa atana da insha Allah rabbi to wazin yaka na yana wura kan na tugi ka beguma ka canto ne na an somta nan bo na an shonmunci na an malaman furgu ta ba muti yadima na an shonmunci ta bana yiri an wa ma za ta fice na abturu su doa perlan wa ma fu ci na ma za ta fisu yasa tan kamtun ba su doa on burgi iko me duma da fashin won zanjirin fa wana to kan bahana